So reading, or also known as interpreting bar charts, okay, means the same thing, interpreting, answer questions about a bar chart. So let's have a bar chart then. So Leslie wrote down the colour of each car in the school car park, and the bar chart shows this information. So you can see I've got a number of cars here. I've got my numbers, I've got the colours, and obviously my bars. As you see here, 8 white. Right, so red is in between 14 and 16. Well, 15 is in between 14 and 16, so that must be 15 red. Blue, you see a 12. Silver is 10, and green is in between 2 and 4, so that must be 3. Right, so I just had a quick scan over this bar chart now. I haven't looked at the questions. I've read the top, and I'm just taking a bit of time just to take it all in, read it, have a good look before I even look here. What happens normally, people get to the questions and just rush ahead and they miss things out. Okay, I've picked this question for a reason, because the scale is different. So first things first, be careful with the scale. That is very important. This one's going up in 2s, others could be 3s, 4s, 5s, 10s, 20s, could be any number. So first things first, check your scale. I've now had a bit of information about this. I've looked at it, I've analysed it, I have interpreted the bar chart. Now let's have a look at the question. So write down the number of blue cars. Well, blue is here, up to 12. So there are 12 blue cars. What colour were most cars? Well, looking at that, most, which one of these has the highest number, which one's the most? There's red with 15. So what colour would be red? Work out the total number of cars. Well, total, add them up. So now we've got a few different numbers. We have 8 add 15, 8 add 15, add 12, add 10, add 3. Now you could use a column method, or if you're a bit more quicker than that, you can just add them up as you're going. So 8, 23, 35, 45, 48. Just check. 8, 23, 35, 45, 48. So there are 48 cars. Now, I'm confident every single person watching this video can interpret a bar chart. I'm that confident. The problem we have with bar charts are the words that are used in the questions. Okay, look out for questions like, or words like difference. Okay, if I look here then, what is the difference between the amount of red cars and the amount of white cars? That word difference is between here and here. That is the difference. Okay, difference, we could subtract 15, take away 8 for 7. Okay, you might see which colour is the modal colour. Mode means most. Okay, it could be what is the total of blue cars and silver cars. So that word total comes in. Or sum of. Sum of means add. What is the sum of the silver cars and the green cars? Sum means add. So be careful with the words being used in order to interpret a bar chart. Be careful with the scale. With this one, we have gaps between because it is discrete data. Have a look at the other videos I've put up about drawing bar charts. That'll give you a bit more of an insight into why there are gaps there. But it's all about scale, accuracy, and also have a good look at the bar chart first before you even answer the questions. Have a go, and I hope it helps.